Hey, ladies, we got one for you. You've been asking for it. Janet, you especially. I don't know if you're gonna like these, but I hope you do. But we're gonna continue to keep digging until we find the ones that you like. Now, with this one, it's very nice. We got two in the lineup. We're gonna start off with number one, and number one is called Butterfly. Now, this one is nice. Both watch faces will be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Guys, if you like these watch faces, then you too can go ahead and download. Now, number one is nice. I like it. I like the detailing of this watch face. Even in the always on mode for the Gears 3, it really has a nice look when it's dimmed down. And the Gears 2 is going to look slightly different so far as the color is concerned, but you're still going to get an awesome look out of both watch faces in the AOD mode. Now, ladies, when it's on, you got a butterfly dead center. You got your battery percentage up at the top to the left, and then you got your date right there. Very nice look. Now, ladies, it is not interactive. You may be looking for step info. We're going to continue to keep digging till we find watch faces like that, whether it be paid and or free, okay? We got you. All right, but what do you think about this watch face thus far? I mean, so far as the analog look, you got a nice second hand that's ticking around the bezel of the watch. Not bad for an everyday look, right? And just maybe you can dress up in this watch face. Now, the videos are going to do it justice so far as the true color of this watch face, but it does look nice in person. Let's go ahead. Let's check out watch face number two. Now, number two is nice, ladies. This one is called Buzzy Bee 12 hours. It's a 12-hour watch face. A very nice looking watch face at that. Now, in the AOD mode, it's going to look just as nice. You're going to get a nice analog look. But when the watch face is on, this is where it starts to look really unique. Very nice. You got animation going on in the background with the beads, and also you got a ladybug that's going to be your second hand, and you got flowers placed in 3 different places of the watch face. You got the color pink and green kind of contrasting with each other. Not a bad look for an analog watch face. What do you think, ladies? I thought it was a nice look. That's coming from a male perspective, right? So I'm gonna tap right here and I can add the month in the year. Now, it should have been able to add the date, but still, again, ladies, it's a free watch face. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one and if you're gonna download it or not. All right, you all, that's it for this video, ladies. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please, before you leave, hit the like button on the way out. And for those of you all who haven't subscribed, go ahead, subscribe to the channel. We got more videos to come. All right, you all, I'm gonna see you all at the next video. Take care. See you at the next one.